Okay, what would happen if you created a better thumbnail, Sorry, again a boring question. The answer is that YouTube recommends putting a good thumbnail to attract viewers.
Video thumbnails let your audience view a quick snapshot of your video. You can choose from the options YouTube automatically generates.
Many of you asked me how to create a professional thumbnail. Well, I promise you, my friends, that at the end of this video, you will be able to create a 3D thumbnail like this. So let's get started. Okay, this is my thumbnail, which was demanded by many people to explain how to create it. So let me recreate it, and you can also do it with me. So, as you can see that here I have opened the Pixel application simply. Now if you want to change the background, just click here and change it. So I will choose the black. Now click on the plus button, and from gallery, here. Then I will choose this image. Now I set its position. Then, by clicking on this layer, I will lock it, so that there will be no disturbance in other work. Now you can create this type of PNG yourself. So next I add the Pixel AB PNG logo. Now you will only see a simple logo, but after adding the effects, you will be amazed with me. So let us continue. So, now click on this, then scroll down, click on the 3D shape, enable it, make sure you click on the perspective option. So scroll down and rotate the Y rotation, and you'll see the effect. I'll put it at -30. Now I will come up a little and increase the depth. Now our logo 3D is ready, so let me add some thumbnails. Now I will set its position as well. Once the thumbnail is added, I will get the option of 3D, rotate on turning it to the side. I will click on it. Now I want to rotate this thumbnail with these two sliders. So let's do this. If I move the Y-axis a little, you can see that the thumbnail has been rotated in a 3D style. It's still not looking that right, so let's make it right. I will simply go into the shadow and enable it. Now what I will do is pick up the white color from here. Now you can see that now a very realistic look has come. Now if you want, you can adjust further from here. But for now, I will keep it this much. Now I will go to this stroke option and enable it. I will keep it like this. Okay? So I will add more thumbnail in the same way, and I will rotate all of them in the same way. Now whichever thumbnail will be behind the logo. If you want to send it back, just click on Pay to Back here. It will go back. So, finally, is also done. Now in a few steps you will see the viral thumbnail. Now we have to add a light PNG in it. So, let's add it. I keep the same portion of light as it is. After cropping it, I will set its position here. Along with this, we will keep locking it from here. Now you can see that our thumbnail, how the look is changing. Now one thing is missing. That is a main text, or should I say a keyword. So I will click on it and go to the text and write the thumbnail. Now if this is done, I will also change its font here. You can that I am using this font. Now that I am doing this, I will change its color also, like green, and yes, you will find all the materials used in making this thumbnail in the description. So, don't worry about it. Okay? So, after the text is added, I will take it back. From here, a keyword will go behind the light. Now I will go to this opacity option and reduce it a little bit, make it around 19 or 20%. Now you see carefully what I am going to do in this. First of all, I copy this text from here. Now you look a little which word is near light. In my case, you can see that the letter B is very near light. So what I will do is that I will double tap on the text that I have copied and first keep the B letter and remove all the other letters like this. Now I will go back to opacity, and this I will increase the opacity a little. Once this is done, then moving it here, you will get the option of position. I will click on it and set this letter above the B letter of the thumbnail. Now you must be thinking, what have I done? Now I will add some shadow from here. I will select black color, then I will come down and increase the blur radiation from here. I can't explain what I do know. Just see how I do it and do it with me. So finally, I draw the shadow, then type on the layer, drag this shadow, and leave it just behind the logo like this. Now the thumbnail is ready. So now you have learned how to make 3D thumbnail by watching this video. So if you think this channel helped you, please subscribe for more.